Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FAMI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a rough day on this one, especially factor in the context of how nicely it started, gap up. Then after the gap up, the price got it to a high up right around there. It was looking like it maybe wanted to make an even bigger move. And then just like that, the price just totally rolled back over and down it went. And upon rolling back over, it also broke down below that green line there, which was an important area of support, and which is now going to bring about the first key update here. I'm going to go ahead and just get rid of that line up there. It served its purpose for now. But this update is just based on a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support are broken and closed below, they tend to act as resistance, and that's exactly what played out here today. So going into the day, right around that 38-cent mark was the level of support, but when the price broke down below it right there, you can see price try to get above it there, but failed. So I'm not saying that the price can never get back above that area. I'm just saying it makes sense why the price is now struggling right there around that area. And then if there is going to be any sort of, bigger turnaround, well, then it all begins with, whether or not the price can break above that area, at that level initially. So keep a close eye on that. As far as levels of support are concerned, very straightforward now, very clear that there are people that are wanting and willing to buy whenever this thing gets down around 35 cents. I mean, you can see right there, people wanting to buy, and then you fast forward to today and people wanting to buy. So as of right now, 35 cents, apparently the market feels as though that's a good bargain price. Now, is that always going to be the case? Of course not. There's no such thing as a guarantee, but via the data right now that the chart's showing us, apparently a lot of people are wanting to buy if the price and when the price gets down to that 35-cent mark. So those are going to be the two main levels to watch here headed into Friday. So let's see how things close out the week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.